Welcome to another day of me solving an algorithm per day. Today's algorithm is viral advertising. Hackerland Enterprise is adopting a new viral advertising strategy. When they launch a new product, they advertise it to exactly 5 people on social media. On the first day, half of those people, but rounded down, 5 divided by 2 is equal to like the advertisement, and each shares it with 3 other friends. At the beginning of the second day, 5 divided by 2 times 3 equals 2 times 3. So that means the recipients, and then times 3, which is the result of the former day, the share. 6 people received the advertisement. Each day, recipients divided by 2 of the recipients like the advertisement and will share it with 3 friends on the following day. Assuming nobody received the advertisement twice, determine how many people have liked the ad by the end of a given day, beginning with launch day as day 1. For example, assume you want to know how many liked the ad by the end of the 5th day. Okay, beginning of the first day, 5, and then divided by 2 is 2, and then so 2 have liked it. Then beginning of the second day, 6, and by the end of the day, divided by 2 is 3, so 2 plus 3 is 5 liked it. Okay, and then we are n is never bigger than 50, and then I'll print the number. We return it. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. That means for day in 1 until n, we want to say if we start with recipients 5, right? That's the day 1, which means how many have liked it. So let's also keep track of likes. It's 0. Now it's at the end of the day. We have 5 recipients. Okay, so like means recipients divided by 2. That's how many liked it. However, we want to add to what we had as like before, so then that means we should do this. This is liked, and now we have new recipients, which means we have r divided by 2 times 3, right? They're always sharing with new friends, and I think that's it. Maybe we don't even need a variable here, and then we can say return the likes, because we want to know how many likes, cumulative likes in the end. Okay, let's see. That worked great locally. Now the other tests. Perfect. Okay, so that was for the advertisement and likes. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment, and subscribe if you don't want to miss out on tomorrow's algorithm for new algorithms every day. See you then.